Hi guys! So today I have foundation on my fingers. Okay. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this kind of fall inspired look. I really wanted to do a nice smoky purple look. So this is what I came up with. So there we go. So obviously that's what this video is about today, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I don't want to wake up my kitties. I'm not going to be talking super loud, but I think it'll be fine anyway. It's fall now, so it's time to whip out the fall looks. But basically what I'm going to do is I was kind of thinking of a nice purpley berry fall look. Today I'm just going to use some classic eyeshadow like I always do. Or well, like I mostly do. But I'm going in with the Soiree Diaries just because I haven't touched it in a while. And I'm going to use this shade Epic right here. It's literally just a brown, like brown. That was a really bad swatch, but I'm basically just going to take that and I'm going to wet my brush with some water. Also, if you guys have any ideas of some really good brow brushes that are like really thin to like work with, especially with pomade, please let me know, because my brushes are getting really fluffy and that just does not work with pomades. Trying like the really fluffy brow look, and I want to see what you guys think about it. I literally look so crazy right now with just brows on. But okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just set my lid. So I'm going to take a little bit of foundation. You know, I'm trying to film a video while my cats are sleeping. And like, I don't know what compelled me to think that this was a good idea. Because I am so noisy. And it's actually really bad. Because like, I'm dropping everything and I know that they're just trying to sleep. Let's tap this out because it's a little brighter than I expected. I'm just gonna take a little bit and just carve out this. I think the reason why I like this fluffy brow is because I don't have to worry about it looking so clean. You guys have noticed I don't pluck my brows like I used to, and it was like the one thing I dreaded so much. And then people told me, they're like, well, why don't you just get them threaded? No, because it hurts more. I don't want that. And then, you know, that's when the whole brow thing exploded. I was like, I'm too lazy to keep up with this anyway, and I don't like it, so why would I keep doing it? So I stopped and I let them grow out, and of course it looked really awkward for a long time, but you know, here they are today, have their own unplucked, untouched, you know, shape, and I just kind of go with it. I think I'm actually going to go a little bit on this one because I think I went a little too fluffy on this one. So this is probably really wrong and you probably shouldn't do this, but I totally forgot to do my skincare routine. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. So I'm going to set my eyelids, and I'm going to go in with this Neutrogena face powder. It's like actual foundation powder, but it's not that full coverage, and this is a little light for me. So I'm going in with this just so it like looks a little closer to my skin tone, even though I look really, really pale on the camera. It's fine. And I'm trying to also keep this mirror out of the way. I feel so bad because I go back and look at my footage and I'm like, Vivian, like, come on, man. Like, you've got that mirror so far up in the in your face. Like, no one's gonna see the look. All they're seeing is a cheetah mirror. It's so funny. Like, I had my mom watch one of my videos because sometimes I feel like I'm too critical of myself, and I like want a pair of like fresh eyes on my video to see like what I need to fix on it. And she was like, oh my god, Vivian, she's like, you're really showing that mirror in the in your videos, because she's like, Vivian, do you want me to go get you like a nicer mirror so like it doesn't, like, I guess so I don't look as like cheesy or something? And I'm like, no, because like this is my mirror. Like, who's judging me off my mirror? Like, if you're judging me off my mirror, then like, dude, what's the deal? Like, why we got beef, you know? I'm gonna go in with the Soiree Diaries, and I'm gonna go in with this shade called Socialite. It's literally like, my camera I feel like just kind of blinds you, but like, where is it? This one. It's like a nice kind of pinky shade, I'm going to take a Wet n Wild just blending brush. It's called a crease brush, and yes, I bought another one because these things are really, really good and they're so soft. But I am just going to put this... What, honey? Am I too loud for you? I'm just going to put this in my crease right here. So basically, just build up Socialite in your crease, and then we're going to go in with Private Party, which is like an off-white shadow. And I'm going to put this on my brow bone. This is a nice dusting. That's all. I'm going to go in with the Alamar Cosmetics book. And I'm going to take this shade right here called Guantanamera, I think. And I'm going to basically put this on my lid and blend it out. Maybe I should bring you in a little bit. I'm going to go on with this into Packet first. And I'm literally just like right at the lash line because I don't want to bring this up too high. Because then it's just going to look like a giant mess. And I think what I'm going to do is take the fluffy end, tap it off a little bit, and I'm just going to kind of like tap it on to kind of like bring it up, but like not too high to where it's like out of control and I can't, you know, control where I put it. So just keep on packing it on and blending, just because it's going to create that soft look. See what I'm talking about? And I kind of wanted this to be a little simple, so this really is supposed to be just like a 2 shadow, blend it out, and you're good to go, babe. Kind of look. See how like I'm slowly taking my time, and it's looking good so far? Let's not jinx ourselves, knock on wood. So now I'm just going to take my finger and just pack it on closer to my lash line, just to deepen it just a tiny bit, but it's pretty packed on there already. And then I'm going to go back in with that pink shade, Socialite, and just kind of sweep it back on there a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other eye, and we'll be back. Alright, got that other brow done. I look crazy, but I got my RB. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of foundation mixed together to be a concealer for my under eye, and clean this up just a little bit so we look less sickly and like we've been punched. If you guys know anything to help with darkness under your eyes, please let me know, because like I have that and it's so annoying. I just don't know why, but I can't find anything to like combat the darkness under my eyes. And actually I'm going to take this brush, it has no product on it, and I'm just going to soften out the edges just a little bit more by just blending them out. It's amazing how much it'll seriously do for a look, so if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. Okay, so I just took that purple shade we used and put it on the like outer third, I want to say. And then you can slowly bring it in just to help smoke it a little. And do the same over here. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get after cleaning it up. I don't understand what's going on with this side. It is getting so patchy and like I feel like you can see it, but on this side there's no problem. I don't know what the hell is going on with this eyeball, but like it's been doing this like since last night, and it's really starting to frustrate me because I can't get anything to look right on it. I don't understand what's going on. So that's not the makeup's fault. That's for some reason my skin is doing this. I don't know. And then I'm going to take my NYX pigment in Vegas Baby. I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just do my face, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. All I did was just, I didn't put any foundation on today. I just kind of did some contour, blush, highlighter, Wet n Wild. And then for my lips, I took the NYX lip pencil in Cabaret, and then I took this really old lip gloss I have. It's the Lancome Juicy Tubes in Simmer. I think I've had this since 6th grade. My grandmother got it for me, and it was like a little tubes of like a pink and that one and then some other color. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about these fluffy kind of feathery brows. I'm kind of like digging it, but at the same time I don't think I'm doing it right. So I'm not completely sure if I'm doing it and it looks good or not. So please check out my other video. I do have another fall inspired look. A little more dramatic, more on the brown colors side. So if you're not into the whole plummy, smoky look, I got a nice little fall brown makeup look for you. But I think that's all I have to say. I think. Okay, yeah, I think so. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.